Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the current affairs series. Let's start our video with countering each and every topic in detail. So today I am discussing the three most important topics. These three: UAPA, FATF and G7. UAPA Act 1967. UAPA refers to Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. It was brought by the government to fight against Naxalism and terrorist activities. The amendment gives power to Director General of NIA to attach properties acquired to proceed formulation of terrorist data. Here I mentioned the word NIA, National Investigating Agency. Let's counter some of the facts attached to it in my next slide. NIA, as I told you, it refers to National Investigating Agency. It deals to counter terror related crimes. It was founded in the year 2009. The founder is Radha Vinod Raju. The current chief of NIA is Yogesh Chandra Modi. The NIA works under Ministry of Home Affairs. Moving towards our next topic, FATF. FATF refers to Financial Action Task Force. The headquarters of FATF is in Paris, France. Founded in the year 1989. The member nations are 39 in total. The purpose of FATF is to combat money laundering and terrorism financing. It contains two lists, blacklist and grey list. If the country is put under the blacklist, then the country need to be called on for action. There are two countries at present which are in blacklist, North Korea and Iran. The impact of blacklist is there is no access to international finance which is granted by World Bank. Similar to the some other monetary jurisdiction, grey list. There are 12 countries including Pakistan in the grey list. The impact is same, there would be limited access to international finance. There would be question in your mind, how countries are put under the list. So FATF plenary is a mechanism which decides which country to be placed in the list or on which country action violation be took place. Moving towards our next topic, G7. So here you are seeing in the blue shade that contributes all the G7 country, Germany, UK, France, Canada, US, Italy and Japan. Earlier Russia to be the member of G7 country, but because due to some clashes, Russia to be removed from the group. And if we club all these countries together, it will form G20. Let's start assuming some more facts about G7 country. It was established in the year 1975. It is the most developed nations of the world. Prior to 2013-2014, it was G8. In 1997, proposal to join Russia was granted, and in 1998 it was implemented and Russia became a country in G7. FATF was created by the G7 country. The headquarters of G7 country is Taiwan. I am ending this video with a most motivational and a beautiful quote. It always seems impossible until it is done. It is written by the Nelson Mandela. Do all the impossible tasks so that it becomes possible. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you ahead with more parts of the current affairs series. Okay, bye bye.